everybody, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're new to us or visiting us again, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blow dry and restyle your crown topper after you have washed it. So let's get started. All right guys, so I have literally just washed my crown topper. I did towel dry it just slightly. What I do is I just lay it in a towel and I fold it nicely, and I just let the towel soak up a lot of the excess water that's in it, so it's not sopping wet. So this is kind of like what it looks like after about 30 minutes of being washed. All right guys, so let's go ahead and get it blow dried. You want to make sure your blow dryer has a concentrator nozzle when blow drying your crown topper. I am first focusing on getting a lot of the excess water out of the ends of the extension. I am turning the extension upside down to get any moisture out of the base. This will also help achieve more volume on top. I like to also periodically brush the hair in between blow drying, which helps to separate any wet hair that likes to clump together. When blow drying the base, you do not want to hold the blow dryer too closely or for too long near the base of the extension. Now that I have roughly dried the ends of the extension hair, I am now moving up towards the top of the extension. After roughly drying the ends of the hair and getting most of the moisture out, I am now going to move up towards the top of the extension. When blow drying the top, I do go back and forth, but I will primarily have the airflow in a downward direction the hair is flowing in. Continue blow drying until the entire topper is completely dry. All right, you guys, so here is the rough dry result from the blow dryer. As you can see, you can get the hair pretty darn straight with the blow dryer just blow drying it. Now, many consider this to look a little frizzy, and so I'm going to go through with my straightening iron to help smooth and seal the cuticle layer that is still standing up throughout the hair strands. So that'll get it to lay really silky and soft and smooth again, and you won't really see any frizz or dry or this like straw-like type hair look. So, but as you can see, I got it pretty darn good, and now I just have to do a few minor touch-ups. Now, I do want to touch base on knowing when the hair is completely dry, because you don't want to take your straightening iron or your curling iron to the hair if there's any moisture left in it. Hair can be very deceiving when you're blow drying it. So I have been holding this without the blow dryer now for about a minute or two, and I'm re-feeling it, and I'm starting to feel a little moisture still in parts of the hair. So I'm gonna go through and just give it another good go with the blow dryer, because you want the hair completely dry. So the way to check that is to go ahead and blow dry it, and when you're done, you think it's good and it's dry, leave it for a few minutes and then come back and touch it and feel it, and you will be able to feel moisture. It's a cold, like slightly damp feel to the hair, mostly cold, and you would never know that unless you let the hair cool off from the blow dryer blowing such hot air for such a long period of time. All right, you guys, so that's how easy it is to restyle and blow dry your crown topper all nice and smooth again. We hope you found this video to be very helpful and it answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us via email at accounts@hiddencrown.com. Make sure to find us on our other social media platforms below, and check out these videos that correlate with the video you just watched.